Skipper One in the building, $150 challenge. This is sub only trunk, so my subs cost $150 total or less. These are two mini brutal sounds on special, two for $150, $75 each. Hit up Joey Seminole, tell him we want that Skipper One special. They might come custom, as Ronnie Smith thinks. I got a Sound Digital 8K on them, and I don't know what's gonna happen. I have to do two runs. I have to do one run, and I think I get 5 minutes, and then I have to burp again, and the lower of the score wins. But I don't care. I'm gonna send it on the first burp. If they don't last, I lose. But it's gonna look nasty. Mike is in the kick down there. You can see the wire. So let's see what we do. Oh shit. $53.8 gross, 4,800 watts. I need to turn that gain up a little bit. I need more gain. Alright, I'm gonna pause this and then do another run. Oh, I forgot to show the time. 2:27, 53.8. Be right back. Alright, F it. I ain't got time to wait. That wasn't a big power burp. Let's reset this. It's 2:28. Alright, let's try it again. I'll turn the gain up a little bit, so either way, 53.8 is probably my low score. Unless they just go right here. But let's try it again. They didn't like that at all. Alright, let me try this again. Change up my note. The time is 2:33, 2:34. Let's just see what it does. That ain't bad. That's stupid power.